Hello one and all, welcome back to our channel. This is Subhan Mullah from German Panther team at Prolifix. In this video, we are going to talk about what is F2Ask utility and its usage. So F2Ask is the utility by using which you can convert screens, service components and reports from ASCII to binary and binary to ASCII. And here are the usages of F2Ask. So coming to the various options that are available in F2Ask utility. So these are the ones -A, -B, C and F. And you can see the description of what exactly they meant. And at the same time, if you want further more information on how exactly the F2Ask utility works, you can get to our documentation and you can grab more information over there. So now let's just dive into the demo where I'll be showcasing you the usage of F2Ask. So guys, here we are. Now let's just convert a couple of binary screens to ASCII by using our F2Ask utility. So now I opened a command line in the location where I have my F2Ask utility. Let's just run F2Ask and see what all the different options that are available in F2Ask utility. So these are the ones. So now let's just convert a screen. Now let's pick one of these screens. So here the option says if you want to convert a binary file to ASCII, you need to pass -A. So we'll pass a -A here, a space, and we need to have the ASCII name followed by the binary file. So we'll just give ASC and we'll just give the file name which we want to convert. So now as you can see, I have a ASCII file that is being generated here. So you can do it for any screen that is present over here and you can just convert it to ASCII. So now let's just understand what exactly is ASCII file and what are its contents. So if I just check a couple of things here. So here there are n number of properties. So almost all I have thousands of lines here. So let's just go through a couple of properties. Basically S colon is a screen here. So it defines the screen properties, basically what a screen, what the name of the screen and like it's the title of the screen and all the different options which are available. And there are a couple of things, something like F colons. So F colons are basically for dynamic labels, single line text fields and multi-line text fields. At the same time, there are B colons, which are for grids. So what exactly a ASCII file helps you is, so if you have a single line text field or also dynamic label, so there will be properties something like the line, the column number, and the scheme, the font style. And if you have any colors on that particular field, color properties, there will be the properties which will be displayed here. So if you need to modify any of the color properties, fonts, or like length and array size and everything, it will be very easy for you to make it from here. So if you have a couple of widgets that are to be changed and to be modified with the same properties, so you can just like do a search for what exactly the property is. Let's suppose length is the property which you want to modify for 10 widgets. So you'll just search for the length property and you just keep on go and modifying the fields. So whichever field you want, you can just modify, save it and run F2Ask and convert it from ASCII to binary. In this way, it will be easy for you to modify the properties of a screen with multiple widgets at the same time. So this is all about F2Ask utility.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked our video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.